Now I'm going to be putting the plumbing to connect all of the barrels together. I'm using this Uniseal, it's a 1-inch Uniseal. I'm using this piece here. The barrel that I bought, I got it from somebody, and they already popped a hole in it, and I was cool with that because I knew I was going to do something where I was going to put a hole, use that hole in some form. And so I've already cut the top off. Now I'm just going to go through and drill this open here, pop this in. I'll pop it in this way. That way, as the water pressure comes through from the inside of the barrel, it will help hold everything in, as opposed to possibly pushing it all loose by pressure, because it's going to be pressure coming in from this way. Here you go. So pop the hole in it. Now I just need to clean that stuff up. Bam! Now it's set up. All I gotta do now is get the 1-inch pipe to put in here and then start doing some connections. Now I have them all set up. I just need to do the plumbing on the inside and to connect all 4 of them.